This video is about working with dilations in space and the coordinate plane. So a dilation is an enlargement or reduction of a shape. A dilation is going to keep similarity. So our scale factor then is the ratio that compares the new shape to the old shape. It is a reciprocal of the similarity ratio. So we have enlargements and reductions here. So an enlargement means that our scale factor is going to be greater than 1. Your old shape is going to be the first shape, the new shape is going to be the second shape that's named, or if it has an apostrophe with it. So if I'm going to do the scale factor here, I would do the new over the old, which is 10 over 4, which reduces to 5 over 2. A reduction then means that the scale factor is going to be less than 1. So our scale factor is still going to be new over old. So we have 9 over 15, which reduces to 3 over 5. So here we want to identify the scale factor that takes A to B. So in this case, we are moving from A to B, so we got smaller. So we would have 3 over 8, which doesn't reduce. In number 2, we're going from A to B. So we have 6 over 4, which reduces to 3 over 2. And in number 1, we're going from A to B, so we have 1/4 over 1, which reduces to 1/4. So in number 4, we have triangles that are on a coordinate plane. So we see that ABC is dilated to DEF. So triangle ABC, we are going to triangle DEF. So we move from a bigger triangle to a smaller triangle, which means that this is a reduction. Our scale factor then is the new side over the old side, so 14 over 20, which reduces to 7/10. The center of dilation, so as you see these dotted lines that are going through the points, they all meet here, which if this is our X and Y axis, the X and Y axis meet at 0, 0. So our center of dilation here would be 0, 0. In number 5, DEF is dilated to ABC, so DEF is going to ABC. This time it's an enlargement because we went from a small triangle to a large. So our scale factor is new over old. So we have 18 over 10, which reduces to 9/5. Our center of dilation, if you watch the 3 dotted lines, would be 0, 0. In the next problems here, we have the equation x to y changes to 3x comma 3y. So that means we're going to take all of the original points and we're going to multiply each coordinate by 3 to get their new location. So G is at 0, 1, U is at 3, -1, and M is at 1, -2. When we multiply all of these coordinates by 3, we get 0, 3 for G prime. We get 9, -3 for U prime. And we get 3, -6 for M prime. Now the scale factor then is what we multiplied by to get our new points. So our scale factor here would be 3. In number 7, we're going from X to Y is 1/2 X to 1/2 Y. So our coordinates are -4, 2, 2, 6, and 8, 4. If you multiply by 1/2, C prime is going to be negative 2, 1, A prime is going to be 1, 3, and T prime is going to be 4, 2. So we have negative 2, 1 is C prime, 1, 3 is A prime, and 4, 2 is T prime. In this case, our scale factor would be 1/2 because we multiplied the coordinates by 1/2. In number 8, a dilation maps 5, 4 to 15, 12. What are the coordinates of negative 2, 3 under the same coordinate, same dilation? So to get from 5, 4 to 15, 12, we need to see what our scale factor was. So our scale factor here, we can take one of the coordinates. So I'm going to take my x's and compare them. 15 over 5 reduces to 3. So we can multiply each of our coordinates by 3. So the new coordinate would be negative 6, 9. In number 9, what is the image of the point 10, negative 4 after the dilation of 2 to 5? So this is our similarity ratio. So what it means is that it's going to have the old shape has a unit 2 to a unit 5 in the new shape. So when I set up the ratio 2 over 5, I'm going to use that twice with each coordinate, the x and the y. So we would have our old coordinate is 10 over the new coordinate x. When we cross multiply, we get 2x is equal to 50. When we divide, we get x is 25. Then we have 2 over 5 equals negative 4 over y. When we cross multiply here, we get 2y equals negative 20, so y is negative 10. So our new coordinate then would be 25 comma negative 10. So the same thing happens in number 10. Again, this is our similarity ratio. So we have old over new. 4 over 3 is equal to negative 16 over x. So as we cross multiply, 4x equals negative 48. When we divide by 4, x is negative 12. Then we have 4/3 equals 12 over x, or 12 over y. So when we cross multiply, 4y equals 36, y is 9. So we get negative 12, 9.